Top 3 harmful elements found in the Earth. 1. Mercury, Hg. Mercury is a toxic heavy metal that can have severe adverse effects on human health and the environment. It can accumulate in the food chain, particularly in fish and seafood, leading to mercury poisoning when consumed in high amounts. 2. Lead is another toxic heavy metal that poses significant health risks, especially to children. It can impair neurological development, cause cognitive and behavioral issues, and affect various organs in the body. 3. Arsenic. Arsenic is a naturally occurring element found in the Earth's crust. It is highly toxic and poses health risks when ingested or inhaled. Chronic exposure to arsenic has been linked to various health problems, including cancer, such as skin, lung, and bladder cancer, skin lesions, cardiovascular issues, and developmental effects.